Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to change password in TradingView. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your TradingView app. So once you tap on your TradingView app, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the menu option. Then simply tap on the sign in option, and there you can tap on the email option. So now once you are here, you need to tap on the I forgot password or can't sign in option, which will then allow you to enter your username or your email address or your number and prove yourself as a human being by passing the verification test. So then you need to hit that search button, and after this a link will be shared to your email address. After the link is sent, you need to simply go to your email account and tap on the TradingView email. There you can find the reset password option, so simply hit on that, which will then allow you to type in the new password for your TradingView account. So simply save the password and your password in TradingView will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.